I wanted to just share this hack. These are shoe clips from L.K.Bennett, and they're such a great way to change up your look because you can just pop these on court shoes or any shoes really, and it instantly changes them up. I'm going to see if I can show you how. Okay, so here are a pair of shoes without the clips, and then here are a pair with the clips on, and I think it just elevates the shoe really nicely. And here is another pair with a different shoe clip on. They've got beautiful clips. You've got pearls, you've got crystals, bows, really fun. Okay darlings, I've just popped on the Odette knit. It is absolutely beautiful. This is their new monogram print, which I think is so beautiful. In fact, you can see it in my earrings, if that will focus. Yeah, there it is. It's camel and navy blue, which means it works beautifully with dark wash jeans. And what I'm going to do is layer on top with the matching cardigan, because I saw it styled at L.K.Bennett online and I loved it. So let's have a look. Okay darlings, and here is the matching cardigan. This is the Odette cardigan. It is truly stunning. Feels so beautiful on, and honestly it just goes with what I'm wearing now. Yep, just as I thought. Stunning. So a little bit of layering going on there with the Lawrence coat and the Odette knit and cardigan. Such a lovely look. Are you ready for this beautiful color combination? Forest green and chocolate brown. Oh my goodness. I've got the brown boots as well. Sorry, I've created a little bit of a mess down here, but it's such a beautiful color combination. This is an Taiye coat in green. You know how much I love my brown, but green, who knew? Such a beautiful color. And I've paired it with the Lulu bag. It's got that same new monogram. And then on the feet, these are the chocolate brown. I think they're called Christina, but I'm going to correct myself if I'm wrong. I absolutely love this outfit. This coat would be great just worn open with a pair of jeans. Keep it nice and casual, but it's great also for just, you know, evenings out, for events. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. I am going to have to run, which is a shame because there's so many beautiful pieces I could really stay here and play with and try on, but I will catch up with you guys in a bit. With you for a while. It's been quite a busy day. I've had to take some content, had a couple of meetings, and so I know I haven't caught up much. I did just pop to the loveliest place, my new favorite place I think, Bushon. Unfortunately they were just about to close, so I've had to take a takeaway coffee. Loved my outfit, had a lovely day, just spending a little bit of time with myself and I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. Just wanted to come and just touch base, check in, see how you're doing. I feel like there's so much going on in the world at the moment, and when that's the case, I often find that it's really good to just give yourself that grace to protect your mental health, whether that's a little bit of escapism with watching some YouTube channels like mine, and if that's the case, hello, you're very welcome, and also just, you know, doing things that make you feel good. For me personally, with my faith as a Christian, that means kind of turning my eyes outwards, so less focused on myself and more focused on serving others, whether that's family, whether that's my community, but also even doing this, turning on the camera and just really getting a chance to reconnect with you guys. Honestly, I love it. I did a little order on Amazon, came next day, so it actually arrived yesterday while I was out, and honestly there are a couple of things I wanted to use today, but one in particular that I wanted to use today, so I thought I would do a little unboxing to be some beauty finds. Some of this will be first impressions, but this is what I was really interested in, is Pyung Kangyeol Mist Toner. It's one of the more popular K-beauty brands. I've tried quite a few K-beauty brands. I've actually been barefaced today. So this is the Pyung Kangyeol Mist Toner, which I've been really curious to try. Can't really... There's no real scent to it, so let's give it a try because my face feels like I need to do a little bit of my skincare really. Ooh, okay, so that's very wet. Feels nice, feels quite hydrating. It says, oh, from a distance of 20 centimeters. Okay, so I probably should have done that a little bit further away. It's a mist type toner to hydrate and revitalize your skin. Let's go into a whole K-beauty moment because that's kind of where we're at right now. I've just finished 2 toners. The Laneige Radiant C Essence, which is lovely. I like to just pump this on my hand and then pop it on, but you can use a cotton pad as well. And I've also been using, well, this isn't K-beauty, this is French. It's the Nuxe Paris Aquabella. Fantastic toner, one of the most hydrating toners ever. So this one is great for hydrating. This one's great more as a brightening toner, but obviously on the K-beauty, that is fantastic. So we'll have to see how this plays. Okay, that's dried reasonably quickly without even having to pat. So maybe just around my eyebrows feel a little bit damp. That goes. Next up to show you is the Cica 100 or Riedel Shot 100. This is a Cica Riedel. They do like micro needling serums. So this is a second purchase. I have actually used this before. You know, the micro needling with all the little dots really helps the next product that you put on after it really absorb. So that's the idea of this. And it goes on. It feels quite needly when you put it on. Woo, girl, it's definitely not for the faint-hearted. So I'm currently on 100. I thought it better to buy a second bottle of the 100, see how that goes, and then I can work my way up because you really do feel the sting. So now the toner has gone in, I'm going to just go in with my serum that I've been using at the moment, which is the L'Oreal Revitalift, because my skin gets quite dry. So I like to pop stuff on before it gets too dry, and this serum is lovely. It does need a decent amount of time to settle into your skin. If you do the rest of your skincare too quickly, you do find that you get a little bit of pilling. So I like to use this at the weekends or just when I have enough time. But when I'm doing a rush in the morning, normally I just go for my vitamin C serum instead. And the vitamin C serum I've been loving is the Dermatica one. I use both their vitamin C and their daily actives, although I don't actually use this every day. I give myself a few breaks from actives. And honestly, it has changed the game with my skin. I'm not going to use the vitamin C serum now because I've used this, because the vitamin C serum, it works best when you put it directly on bare skin so that it can fully absorb. So I'll probably do that tomorrow now, but honestly I couldn't recommend these enough. I'm going to leave a code for you if you're interested. I love the fact that they are backed by dermatologists and you're speaking to professionals. You take pictures of your skin from different angles and you talk to them about what you want. Obviously you don't have to do that for the vitamin C. You can't just purchase the vitamin C. But for the actives, obviously, they do need to see the state of your skin. Are you suffering from active breakouts? Is it more hyperpigmentation? Is it fine lines and wrinkles? Whatever your main skincare concerns are, you know you're dealing with an actual professional who knows what they're doing. Honestly, I never used to show my before pictures, but I'm so proud of how far my skin has come, and it is honestly genuinely down to Dermatica, and this is where I am right now. I'll show you a couple of other progress pictures. Some of them I must say are not as good as my skin is right now, but the lighting was fantastic, so that shows you with good lighting honestly makes a world of difference. But yeah, I'm so happy with how it is right now. So yeah, I just wanted to give that a little shout out. I know that's not K-beauty. While my serum is still settling in, let's move on with the next item, which is Beauty of Joseon, and it's the Green Plum Refreshing Cleanser. So what a shame I hadn't opened that up. I could have used the cleanser this morning and told you how it was, but obviously I will use it tomorrow, and I guess I'll let you know. Why are they all so hard to open? Hold on a minute. It says it contains fruit water, which normally when I hear fruits, I think that's going to be good as a good cleanser because it's going to help eat away at some of the dead cells in between your cells that keep your skin looking dull, and hopefully that's going to help brighten it up. But we shall see. I don't want to speak too soon because I have never ever used it before. Generally lifts away impurities and skin waste, while leaving skin feeling moist, not dry after cleansing. But we'll see how that works. But I wanted to try, I wanted to repurchase, this is not K-beauty. This is the Revolution Pro Miracle Cream, which is such a great dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and also a great dupe for the Bobbi Brown, is it the vitamin E cream? I've used this before. Miracle Pro, my goodness, does this give you a glow. So I'm actually going to use this today just to give my skin a little bit of a glow. This is not K-beauty. This is like Brit does K-beauty. And boy, do they do it so well. Is Revolution Pro British or is it American? I assume it's British. Oh, I love the smell. I love that scent. I'm going to come a little bit closer. I know that sun is probably a little bit distracting, so apologies. Look, at that glow. It literally looks like my face is wet, and this is what I love personally when it comes to skincare. I use so much less beauty makeup products now. I don't even use foundation anymore, especially since my skin has been getting clearer. When you have moisturizer like this, you really don't need very much, and it adds to that glow. So some sort of concealer mixed with a glow product. That can be the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, it can be the e.l.f. Halo Glow, the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Serum. I will link all these products and also my favorite beauty products and the makeup I've talked about